What if fruits their own kingdom and the mango was the king? Welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. This is our summer vacation drawing series day 4. So today we are drawing a royal and super cool mango king. And also I will tell you fun story while we draw. So let's do it. Far away beyond the hills and rivers, there was a magical place called the Fruit Kingdom. In this kingdom, all fruits lived happily together, but they needed a king and wise king. One sunny morning, a sweet and juicy mango stepped forward, but he didn't look like a king yet. The fruits whispered, "Can a simple mango really be our king?" Just then, a golden crown floated down from the sky and gently landed on the mango's head. Suddenly, the mango started glowing with a warm golden light. He smiled kindly and said, "Yes, I will take care of everyone and make our kingdom happy." The strawberries danced, the bananas clapped, and all the fruits cheered loudly. Long live and Mango King. From that day on, the Mango King ruled with kindness, sharing sweetness and joy with everyone in the fruits kingdom. So now it's your turn. Let's draw your own Mango King and bring the magical kingdom of life. Hope you enjoy this royal story and drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and comment our Mango King. And don't forget to subscribe our Love Art and Sketches because we daily upload it at 6 p.m. daily series drawing. And all the drawing steps are in the descriptions below. Check it out and share your drawing in the comments box. See you tomorrow.